Hello everyone, welcome to Polyset Virtual Training. Today we are going to discuss about trigonometry and its applications. First of all, let us know what is trigonometry. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics which deals with, so mainly it is dealing with what? Triangles, and particularly triangles on a plane where one angle of a triangle is how many degrees? 90 degrees. So simply you want to say means, so this chapter deals about all about the right triangle. Okay, so how the trigonometric functions can be defined in the terms of particular ratios of the sides of a right triangle. Okay, so what it is showing about, what is the relationship between the sides, right? That is a relationship between the sides and angles. It is showing that trigonometry is used to find the relationship among its sides and the angles. Okay, so here what we are having, mainly what are the trigonometric functions we are having is sine, cos and tan. You can say that sine, cosine and tangent functions. Okay, in the short way we can say it as sine, cos and tan. So what is sine, cos and tan? Let us know what is that first of all, right? So as you know, this is your right triangle, right? Always opposite to the triangle is what? Opposite to the exactly right, the highest, longest side, you will say it as what? Hypotenuse. You have to remember this. Wherever the right triangle marking is there, opposite to that is called hypotenuse. That is the longest side of a triangle. Okay, so this opposite and adjacent will decide based upon the theta. So think over it. Now theta is at B. So what is adjacent to that? It is adjacent side, right? Theta is here means opposite side is this. If suppose I'm taking theta here, so what will happen? Now this will change as what? It will change as opposite side, and this AC will change as adjacent side. Okay, so adjacent and opposite side will change depend upon the theta's position where it is, right? But hypotenuse is a fixed one. Always it will be opposite to the right triangle. Where the right triangle is marked, that is the opposite. So you have to remember the longest side of a triangle in a right triangle is called what? Hypotenuse. Already we learned this Pythagoras theorem, right? How the sides are interrelated. Hypotenuse square equal to what is that? Sum of the squares of other two sides, right? That is a side relationship. We learned it. Now we are going to do that with the angle and the side relationship. So what is sine A? Sine A is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. Sine A means where you have to see the theta. Theta is here, right? What is theta? Theta is here. Sine A is theta is here. So what is opposite is A by C. So what you have to remember, sine is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse, right? Same way if I'm taking with sine B, theta will be here. So which is the opposite side? B by C. Okay, same way cos A. Cos A formula is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay, adjacent side by hypotenuse. So what is adjacent side if I'm taking theta at A? So adjacent side is what? B. Right, so B by C. Same way if I'm taking theta at B, so what is adjacent side? A by C. Right, then what is tan A? Tan A is opposite by adjacent. What is the formula? Opposite by adjacent. So you can take it. Where is A? A is here, right? Theta is here. So what is opposite side over here? A is here by B. Okay, so tan B is opposite by adjacent. So that is B by A. Right, so you can remember this formula easily with this mnemonic technique, Staccato. Staccato means sine. First the sine is opposite by hypotenuse, cos is adjacent by hypotenuse, tan is opposite by adjacent. Okay, so what is now? Let us recap it again quickly. What is a sine theta? We learned it. Sine theta is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan theta is nothing but opposite by adjacent. Okay, then we are having further three more thetas. What are that? First one is cosecant theta, reverse of sine. What is that? Reverse of sine. You will say it as what? Cosecant. Cosecant theta. If I'm taking reverse of sine means what? Hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse by opposite. It's nothing but reverse of sine. You will say it as cosecant theta. Okay, then reverse of cos. What is the reverse of cos? You will take it. That is called sec theta. What is that is called? Secant theta. They will say theta secant theta or sec theta. Okay, that is secant theta. So opposite of tan, opposite of ulta of tan, you will say it as cot theta. So majorly these are the basic 6 trigonometric ratios you have to know. Okay, so first major 3 is sine theta, cos theta and tan theta. Then if I reverse the sine, I'll get cosecant theta. If I reverse the cos, I'll get secant theta. If I reverse the tan, I'll get cot theta. So sine theta is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent, right? Here we have to know one more relationship also. Tan theta is nothing but sine theta by cot theta. What is it? Tan theta equal to sine theta by cos theta. This is also the one more relation you have to note. Okay, sine by cos always give you what? Tan. Sine theta by cos theta will give you tan theta. Okay, so these are the basic trigonometric functions you have to know it. Okay, let us try to understand through this problem. What they are asking over here, they have given a right triangle. This is your right angle. Okay, this is your right angle. So find the trigonometric ratios for the given right triangle. Okay, we have to find the trigonometric ratios. So what are the ratios we learned previously? Sine, cos, tan and cosec, sec and cot. Right. So let us try to apply these things over here. So as you know, opposite to that is what? It's hypotenuse. Okay, is hypotenuse. So what they are asking you? Sine A. Theta is in A. Okay, theta is in what? A. So obviously which is opposite side? This is your opposite side. Okay, then this is your adjacent side. As you know, when we want to find out the cos theta, obviously we need what side? Adjacent side, right? But it is missing. So already we learned this relationship in the right angle triangle. Hypotenuse squared equal to, what is that? Sum of the square of two sides, right? So 10 squared equal to 6 squared plus x squared. Okay, so what is that adjacent side? I don't know. So 100, right? 100 equal to 36 plus x squared. Okay, so x squared is how much now? Adjacent side is how much now? X squared equal to 100 minus 36. 100 minus 36. So x squared is nothing but 64. Right? So what is x now? X is nothing but square root of 64. Right? Square root of 64 gives you 8. So x is how much? It is 8. Okay, so what is adjacent side? We got it now. It is 8. Now we know all the sides, right? So we can find a trigonometric function. So first we are going to do with sine A. First we are going to do with sine A. Sine A, what is the formula? We know opposite by hypotenuse. Right, opposite by hypotenuse. So what is the hypotenuse? What is the opposite side over here? Sine A, as we know, what is opposite side? Opposite side is here, right? So 6 by 10. Okay, you can write it as either 3 by 5 also you can write, because 2 table you can cancel this 2, right? It's 3 by 2. Next, cos A. What is a cos A formula? We learned it. Cos A is adjacent by hypotenuse, right? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Okay, so adjacent by hypotenuse means what is that? Adjacent is 8 by what is hypotenuse? 10. Okay, so what is answer? Once again you will get it. If I take the simplified form, it will be 2 4s are, then 2 5s are. It's nothing but 4 by 5. Same way, tan A. So what is tan A over here? Opposite by adjacent, right? So what is opposite side? We got it here. Opposite side is what? It's 6, right? So 6 by 8. It's nothing but 3 by 4. Okay, so these are the basic trigonometric functions. But we know cosec. What about the cosec, sine? What about the cosec, sec and cot? Cosec is very easy. As I said you, whatever you got it in sine theta, ulta of it. Okay, cosecant theta is nothing but reverse of sine theta. So I got sine theta as 3 by 5. It will be what? 5 by 3. Okay, reverse of sine theta. Same way, what is a sec theta? As you know, secant theta is nothing but what? Reverse of cos theta. Right? Reverse of cos theta. What is a cos theta? I got it 5 by 4 by 5. So, secant theta will be 5 by 4. Okay. Then what about cot theta? Cot theta is nothing but reverse of tan theta. So, it's 4 by 3. As we got tan theta as 3 by 4, cot theta is 4 by 3. So, this is a way you can find out the missing side and you can find the trigonometric ratios. Next, we are going to see about complementary angles. What is mean by complementary angles? As you people know, if I'm adding any two angle, it will leads the total of 90 degree. Right? So, complementary means sum of angles will be how much? 90 degree. Sum of the angle should be 90 degree. So, based upon this, we are having some trigonometric functions. Let us try to understand that thing. So, what they have given first over here. So, if I'm writing cos 90 minus theta gives you what? Sin theta. Cos 90 minus theta gives you what? Sin theta. Same as sin 90 minus theta, cos theta. Opposite to that. Okay. Sin means you will get what? Cos means you will get sin. Same way, tan theta equal to cot 90 minus theta. Same way, cot theta, how can I write it? Tan 90 minus theta. Then secant theta equal to cosecant 90 minus theta. Same way, cosecant theta equal to secant 90 minus theta. So, how you have to remember this easily is, whenever it is a complementary angle 90 minus theta, sin means you will get cos means you will get sin. Same way, tan means cot means tan. Okay, then cosecant means secant means cosecant. Remember, in such a way it will be easy for you. So let us try to understand this through the problem. So what is they have given over here? Cos 38 degree, cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degree, sin 58 degree. Evaluate means I have to find out the value for this. Okay, so what is cos 38? As you know, cos 38, how can I write it? 90 minus 52 degree. Could I write it like that? Yes. So, same way cos 90 minus 38 degree will give you what? Cos 52. Same way minus sin 38, sin 52 I am keeping as it is. So, what is cos 90 minus theta? Sin theta. Already we know that. Right? Cos 90 minus theta is sin 90. So, what is the theta? You will get it sin 52 degree. Then sin 38 degree minus sin 38 degree, sin 50. Both are same. Obviously, it will get cancelled. Then your answer will be 0. Right? So, like this they can ask in your exam point of view also. You have to know what is a complementary angle. Whenever the angle is below 90 degree, remember to apply your complementary angle to evaluate your results. So, sin means what you will write? You can write sin theta as cos 90 minus theta, cos theta as sin 90 minus theta, tan is cot 90 minus theta, cot is tan 90 minus theta, secant is cosecant 90 minus theta, cosecant is secant 90 minus theta. Okay, so according to your problem, you apply the complementary angle and get the answers. Then, now we are going to see about trigonometric identities. Identities means where you will use this results and we will find out the trigonometric functions. Okay, we will simplify the trigonometric functions. So, first, what is a basic identity is cos squared theta plus sin squared theta equal to 1. What is the basic identity? First basic identity, cos squared theta plus sin squared theta equal to 1. So this you can write it in the further forms as your sums needed, right? So cos squared theta equal to 1 minus sin squared theta. Sin squared theta equal to 1 minus cos squared theta. Same way, 1 plus tan squared theta equal to secant squared theta. So 1 equal to secant squared theta minus tan squared theta. Tan squared theta equal to secant squared theta minus 1. Okay, so you can rearrange this basic identity however you need to apply in your problem. Then what is a basic another identity? 1 plus cot squared theta equal to cosecant squared theta. What is that? 1 plus cot squared theta equal to cosecant squared theta. So this also you can write it as 1 equal to cosecant squared theta minus cot squared theta, or cot squared theta equal to cosecant squared theta minus 1. Okay, so basically you have to remember this three identities, and however you want to apply, you can rearrange this identity and you can apply it. So cos squared theta plus sin squared theta equal to 1. Same way, 1 plus tan squared theta equal to what? Secant squared theta. Then 1 plus cot squared theta equal to cosecant squared theta. Okay. Next, we are going to see about trigonometric ratio tables. Okay, it's very important. They can ask you to evaluate or find the value of this in your exam point of view. Right. So we have to know the value for this degrees. 0. So what is a basic table we are having? 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60 and 90 degree. Okay. So first we will see with sin theta. Sin theta 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, sin 90 is 1. See, if you know, if you had this basic table of one of the thing, no, then it is very easy. So what you can do over here is, it is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1, right? So that is degrees are 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Just reverse this. What you are doing, just reverse this, you will get the cos theta. Reversing means what I am doing over here, 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2 and 1 by 2 and 0. You can observe here where the values are same in sin and cos. 45 degree the values are same, 1 by root 2 is same, the value is same. Okay, then how can I find out this tan theta? It's just dividing. As we know already, I said you the relationship, right? Tan theta is nothing but what? Sin theta by cos theta. That is one of the relationship what we learned previously. Okay, tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. So what I can do over here, I can divide these two values now, right? So sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. So what is the value? First value what we are getting is 0 by 1. Obviously anything 0 by 1, anything is 0 only. Right? So same way 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2. What will happen? 2 will get cancelled, you get only 1 by root 3. Same way here 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. Root 2 will get cancelled, only will get 1. Here root 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. So 2 will get cancelled, you'll get only root 3. 1 divided by 0. Anything divided by 0 is what? It's not defined. Anything divided by 0 is what? Not defined. Okay, you have to remember this. So as you know, cosecant is what? Reverse of sine. Sine 0 is what? 0. 0 by anything. Anything by 0, what will happen? It's not defined, right? Same way, 2 by 1 by 2. It's nothing but 2 by 1. So 2. 1 by root 2 is root 2. So here 2 by root 3. 1 by 1 will be 1. So like this, you can remember this trigonometric ratio table. First, if you know this values, this 5 values, then rest of the values you can do it by yourself. Okay, so this is a very important topic. You have to know this values. Sure, you can get one problem based upon this trigonometric ratio table. Let us try to understand this to the problem. So what they have given in the problem now? Sin 60 into cos 30 plus x sin 45 into cos 45 equal to sin 30 into cos 60. So they are asking you to find the value of x. Okay, so here what you can do, what is a sin 60? As we know, root 3 by 2 into cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus x into what is sin 45? 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 equal to sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So what I'm going to do, just I have applied all the values and I'm going to simplify it. Root 3 into root 3 will turn as what? 3. 2 into 2 will be 4 plus x. So 1 into 1 is 1. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So it is x by 2 equal to 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into 2 is 4. Right? 1 by 4. So x by 2 equal to 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4. So as you know, the denominators are same, we can subtract the numerator. Okay, so x by 2 equal to 1 minus 3 by 4. So x by 2 equal to 1 minus 3 will gives you minus 2 by 4. It's nothing but 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. I can simplify this, right? 2 1s are 2, 2s are. So x by 2 equal to minus 1 by 2. So now I need the value of x. So what I'm doing? I'm doing cross multiplication. Already I said you this, right? Whenever you don't want the denominator, we have to do what? Cross multiplication. So it is 2x is equal to 2 into minus 1 gives you minus 2. So what is x? X is equal to minus x is equal to minus 2 by 2 minus 2 by 2. So what is 2 by 2? It's nothing but 1 minus 1. You will get the answer as what? Minus 1. Okay. Next we are going to see about applications of trigonometry. So still now what we have seen is basic trigonometric ratios and how to find the sides. If two sides are given, how to find the third side and how to find the theta. Right, everything we have done it now. Okay, now we are going to see about application of trigonometry. So what is mean by application of trigonometry? Where you are applying this trigonometric, whatever you learned at this functions in your day-to-day life. Right, so we are going to learn about this now. Okay, so first let us see two terms you have to be aware while doing the applications of trigonometry. What are the two terms? Angle of elevation and angle of depression. What is that? Angle of elevation and angle of depression. So what is mean by angle of elevation and what is mean by angle of depression? Let us try to understand this first of all. The angle of elevation is the angle between the horizontal line from the observer and the line of sight to an object that is above the horizontal. Okay, so what they are saying over here, angle of elevation is nothing but it's a angle between the horizontal line from the observer and the line of sight. So usually whenever the human is seeing, you know, right? So this is called what? This is a thing. If I want to see above any object, you can see over here very clearly, right? So she's seeing, where she's seeing? At the top of the tower, right? This is what? Line of sight. Where I'm seeing, you can form on straight line. Same way, below that you can form a horizontal line. So the angle between this, what you will say? Angle of elevation. So what is angle of depression? It is a angle between the horizontal line and the line of sight. So always you have to remember that whenever we are seeing the object, just imagine you can see the object with a straight line, right? And then the line of sight. So line of sight and the horizontal line. So immediately you can get a horizontal line over here. So there you can see very clearly what it is forming. It is a right angle triangle, you can see. Okay, so this is a angle of elevation. So from down I'm seeing above. That is called what? Angle of elevation, right? Then angle of depression is the angle between the horizontal line from the observer and the line of sight of an object that is below the horizontal line. Where it is below the horizontal line. So in the angle of elevation, where we have seen above the horizontal line, you can see over here. Right, the dog is standing over it. A human is trying to observe aeroplane. If he wants to observe the aeroplane, it will go under what? Angle of elevation, because from his horizontal line he is seeing above, right? But if he wants to observe the dog, what he has to do? He has to see down, right? Below the horizontal line, exactly you can see, right? This is a horizontal line, exactly straight to our eyesight, right? So that is a horizontal line. You can see here, below he wants to watch. So this you will say it as what? Angle of depression. So above your eye level you will say it as angle of elevation. Below your eye level you will say it as what? Angle of depression. So basically these things depends upon your horizontal line. Okay, so it is the angle between the horizontal line and the eyesight, below your eyesight, below the horizontal line and the eyesight. Right, so this two thing is very important. You have to understand the meaning of it, what is mean by angle of elevation and what is mean by angle of depression. Sure, you can expect one question from this topic. So let us try to understand this through the problem, how they can ask you in the problem this question, so how you can apply it, right? So if a girl is standing at a point P which is 8 units away from the building. Okay, so one building is there, a girl is standing, how far she is now? 8 units. Making an angle of elevation of 45 degree. So what is the angle of elevation? What we learned it as angle of elevation, it is a line of sight. Okay, it's an angle between the above horizontal line and the line of sight, right? So if she is standing over here, you can see here, if she is standing over here, what is her line of sight? This is her line of sight, right? So this is a horizontal line. So the angle of elevation will be 45 degree. with the point Q. Exactly, they named the building as what? QR. You can see the top of the building as Q and the bottom of the building as R. Okay, find the height of the building. So what they're asking, this height, actually exactly they're asking you to find out this height. Okay, majorly whenever the angle of elevation and depression problems are coming, try to draw the diagram immediately so that you can understand it clearly and easy to solve the problem. Okay, so what they have given what they have given, PRS 8 units they have given already, and angle QPR is how much? It is 45 degree they have given. So what you needed, theta is here, it is opposite side, and we are having adjacent side. Obviously, which theta you will take it up? Yes, what you're thinking is right, it is tan theta. Tan theta is nothing but, so here or whatever the trigonometric ratios we learned it, based upon that only you will find it out. Okay, so sine theta means you have to know what is sine theta. Sine theta is nothing but what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent. Okay, so you have to understand. So whatever the missing side, you have to know which theta you have to apply it over here. Okay, so opposite side is missing, adjacent side is there. So to find the opposite side, which theta we can take it up? You can take it up tan theta. So tan 45 equal to what is that? Opposite is h I have taken, and this is tan 45 equal to, what you will get it? Tan 45 equal to h by 8, right? Because theta is here. As I said you, starting itself, depending upon the theta, your adjacent and opposite side will change. Okay, so h by 8. Now you know what is the value of tan 45. What is the value for tan 45? It's 1. Right? So 1 equal to h by 8. I need the QR. QR is equal to 1 into 8. You will get 1 equal to h by 8. So I need h value. So what you can take it up? H equal to 1 into 8. That gives you 8 units. So height of the building will be how much? It is 8 units. Okay. Then the angle of depression of two ships from the top of lighthouse. Okay, so they are speaking about here one lighthouse and two ships are traveling over here, and on the same side of its are found to be 45 degree and 30 degree. So what they have given? Angle of depression they have given. So what is mean by angle of depression? It is the angle between the below horizontal line and the line of sight. Right? So what it is at the same side. So here you can see. Right? So this is a ship. If the ships are 200 meter apart from it. If the ships are where? 200 meter apart from this. Find the height of the lighthouse. Okay. So here what they have taken, let AB be the height of, means this is the height of the lighthouse. AB is your lighthouse where it is. Okay. So with D and C are the two ships. Here you can see one ship is standing over here and other ship is standing over here. Obviously it is the angle of depression, means from where you will see. It is a horizontal line, you can see, no? Right? It is a horizontal line, exactly you can see over here. And see, first ship is what they have given. First ship angle of elevation is, angle of depression is 30 degree, and second ship is 45 degree. So first ship I have drawn with C. With the D it is 30 degree. With the C we are getting as 45 degree. Okay, and distance between this is 200 meter. Okay, but you have to remember, whenever the depression is given to you, you can take it as elevation. How you can take it at? As you know, see, these are the parallel, right? Whenever the parallel lines alternate interior angles are equal. So if it is a parallel line for this 30 degree, you can take it as here. Same with this 45 degree with this line. So it is coming with this line, right? So alternate interior angle. So it will be 45. Okay, so angle of depression can be taken as angle of elevation. How? On what basis? Since it is a parallel line, these two are parallel line, this horizontal, these two lines are parallel lines, so alternate interior angles will be equal. So alternate angles are equal, so you can take it on that basis. Okay, did you understand how you got it over here? I hope so. Now it's clear to everyone. Okay, so what we need to find it out here? We have to find out this h. If you need to find out this h, obviously you have to know this, no? Right? So as you know, obviously what triangle it is? It is right triangle. It is right triangle. Okay, so what we are doing over here, you can see over here. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to find out tan 45. Tan 45, if I'm taking this h by x, so it's nothing but h is equal to x. So if I find out this x or h, both are equal, right? So what I'm doing now, next I'm going to take this overall triangle in triangle ABD. ABD, what is tan 30? So because for this overall triangle, this is the thing, right? So tan 30 equal to opposite AB by, this is BD, right? BD. So what is tan 30 over here? 1 by root 3. What is AB? AB is H. So H is H by, what is that overall BD? You will say it as x plus 200. Right. So what I will do now, I'll do cross multiplication. So if I do the cross multiplication, root 3h is equal to x plus 200. As you know, x is nothing but what? H, no? So I'm substituting x as h. So root 3h is equal to h plus 200. So I'm taking h to other side. So root 3 minus h is equal to 200. So in this both, what is common? H is common. So I'm taking h as out. So root 3 minus 1 into h is equal to 200. So h is nothing but 200 by root 3 minus 1. As we learned the rationalizing denominator, whenever it is there. So what you'll get it? Root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1, right? So it is 3 minus a minus b, a plus b. It's nothing but a squared plus a squared minus b squared, right? This is nothing but a squared minus b squared. As we learned this, right? Rationalizing the denominator. That is the thing we are doing over here. Rationalizing denominator is nothing but when the root are coming in the denominator, what you will do? You will take with the opposite sign of the number. So root 3 minus 1 means what you will take? Root 3 plus 1. You will multiply and divide with the same number. So it will turn as a minus b, a plus b. The formula will be a squared minus b squared. So what is a here? Root 3, the whole square is 3 minus 1. It will be 200. This root 3 is nothing but 1.73 plus 1. Okay, this return is what? 2. So if I'm turning this as 2, then 2 ones are, then this will turn as what? 100. Okay, so it will be 100 into 2.73. It's nothing but 273 meter. So like this, you can find out the angle of depression. If they have given, you can find out the height of the tower, like this lighthouse, like this. So we can see some more examples wherever they can ask you these things, right? This trigonometric. So they can ask you between distance of 2 points. See, as we know, just now we have seen, no, it is a distance between the 2 points. They can ask you by this. And angle of elevation is equal to angle of depression. When it is, see, you can see over here, alternate interior, alternate angles are equal. That you have to understand. Okay, then the distance width of the river. See, here you can see this problem. Find the width of the river. What they have given over here. See, one of the triangle they have given. If it is, this is 30, right? This is 30. So where you will get 30 now? Here you will get 30, right? Same way, this is 45. Obviously, here you will get 45. Here you will get 30. So based upon this, you can find out your value. Okay, then object height, how the height of the object or how much the height it is, like that they can ask you, right? So majorly this applications of trigonometry can be asked in heights and distances. Okay, so let us have a quick recap whatever we learned in trigonometry. What is a trigonometry? It is a branch of mathematics which helps to study the relationship between what? Angles and sides of a triangle, especially what angle it is? Right triangle. Okay, so in the right triangle, what is sine theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Then tan theta is opposite by adjacent, right? Cosecant is nothing but 1 by sine. Secant is 1 by cos. Tan is 1 by cot. Tan is sine by cos, right? So when I'm doing sine into cosec, you will get 1. Cos into sec, you will get 1. Same way, tan into cot, you will get 1. Then what are the important identities we learned? At sine squared a plus cos squared a equal to 1. Then 1 plus tan squared a equal to secant squared a. Then 1 plus cot squared a equal to cosecant squared a. Then we learned about the trigonometric ratios, right? What are the ratios? 0, 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree and 90 degree. What is a sine? 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. If I reverse this, I'll get a cot. If I divide this, I'll get a tan, right? Then we learned about the complementary angle. Sine 90 minus theta will give you what? Cos theta. Same way cos 90 minus theta will give you sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta, cot theta. Cot 90 tan theta. Same way like that. Sec means cosec, you will get cosec means sec. Then we learnt about angle of elevation and angle of depression. So angle of elevation means what? It is the angle between the line of a side and the horizontal line, right? So above the horizontal line. Angle of depression means it's an angle between the line of sight and below the horizontal line, right? That is a thing you have to remember. Okay, from down to up if I'm seeing, that is called angle of elevation. From top to bottom if I'm seeing, then that is called angle of depression. Then we learned it, right? So angle of depression can be turned as angle of elevation. How it is? Like this. If it is a parallel horizontal line, you are getting it. Alternate angles are equal. So if it is 30 degree over here, you can remember the Z shape, right? Where you are getting the Z shape, exactly you can get the alternate angle. Okay, so then we have seen about the trigonometric ratios also, right? So by this we came to the end of the session. I hope so now trigonometry and applications of trigonometry are very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching.